What?
Go to the curve when you're all done.
Oh, okay.
Taking a picture.
Okay.
One, and then you're going to put it away. In the office, okay?
Okay. Can I get a picture of Mo Magic? Show me Mo Magic. Those are shoes.
They're stinky. Take a picture another. You're taking a picture another time.
Okay. Well, show me some more magic.
Another magic.
Another magic.
Yeah, no more magic.
You're all done?
More. Yeah.